The FDA vaccine division gave some possibilities before the agency and the CDC approved the guidelines for that booster shot rollout. So last week's decision from a panel wasn't too clear about which workers would be eligible or should get a third shot, but here is who could be eligible soon for a booster: seniors 65 and older, the immunocompromised from 18 to 64. Now, Dr. Peter Marks of the FDA's vaccine division says jobs that could be eligible include, of course, healthcare workers, emergency responders, and teachers. Why teachers? The director of the National Institutes of Health says it's because teachers work with unvaccinated children and are more exposed to risk.
If you look at everyone over 65 and people from 18 to 64 with underlying conditions that make them more likely to have a severe outcome, and those who are 18 to 64 who by either institutional or occupational situation put them at a higher risk for exposure and infection, you're going to get a pretty good chunk of the population.
So let's take a look at how COVID-19 cases have been looking in Clark County schools. So far, since the school year started, 2,865 COVID cases throughout CCSD. 806 of them were among school staff and teachers. So look at the breakdowns of where most of the cases are. 41%, the vast majority from elementary schools, 18% of cases from middle schools, and 30% from high schools. The health district did tell us last week cases, thankfully, are slowing down throughout CCSD. Now, the CDC could make its decisions on who gets boosters and if teachers are included in that group on Wednesday and Thursday, John.